So today I'm going to unbox the most popular car software right now, Thinker. So I've got this from uh, one of my friend who lives in England. He brought it to Bangladesh, so I got it uh, yesterday. Now I'm gonna unbox this. We'll see. Yeah. So now we are going to see what we have got in this uh, tiny packet. Uh, on the top of this box, there is a slip. Thinker, Thinkdiag, SS System Reset, made in China. Okay, there is an address, Germany. So now I'm gonna open it. Let's see. So we have got a serial number over here. This will be needed. Wow. There is a sticker QC passed. So we have a catalog here, serial number and activation code is in this book, and there is another catalog. It is written in a different language, not in English. So this will not work for me. This catalog is written in English. Yes, yeah. So this says this is the warranty card also, guarantees, warranties, and how to use everything is shown in this catalog. Wow, this is great. So it will be needed later. Now we're going to see the dongle. Wow, this is great. Uh, this is it seems to me it is about 200 gram or 250 gram, and the finishing of this product is very nice. The outlook is so good. On my next video I will show you how to install this, how to use this in car. So this is it. This is a very beautiful dongle. You have to uh, download the Thinkdiag software from App Store. Then to activate that software, you will need serial number and activation code. What will be given in this catalog. Thank you. See you.